Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a really quick and easy Halloween bake. So let's get started. So I'm going to be showing you today how to make a Halloween tray bake. I've already baked the sponge. This is just my normal sponge recipe. I will leave it down below if you haven't seen any of my other videos. And you basically decorate it and serve it in this tray like this, so it's nice and easy. I've already made my buttercream and I will link that recipe down below as well. And I've coloured it orange, black, purple and green. I got 4 piping bags here with 4 different types of nozzles, and we're going to be using those to decorate the top of our cake. So I'm just going to load these first. How I load my piping bags, I turn them inside out about halfway down, and then I make a cup using my fingers that I then fill, so that the buttercream is nowhere near the end of the piping bag. It stops you making a mess. I'm going to load in my purple, then I'm just going to push it down to the end, and I like to just twist that off then, set that to one side. And finally black. And if you want to see how I get my buttercream this black, just hit the link up there and it'll take you to a video where I can show you that. So I'm going to start with my orange, and we're going to make some nice roses using the orange in different sizes. So for a rose, we start in the center and we take it round and around and then finish off. And we can do those in all different sizes and all over the cake. Then I'm going to start with a petal tip. I don't know if you can see that there. This one you want to hold with the thicker end of the tip down on the cake, and we hold it at a vertical angle. So I'm going to use it to fill in this corner, and it's going to come out like that. So for the green, I'm using another one of my favorites, a 1M Wilton tip. And with these you can also do roses in various sizes, but you can also do little sort of flowers with it as well, which is quite cute. The purple, I've got a closed star tip. I can't remember the number of this one, but I will link it down below for you. And this one you can do pretty little blobs like that, or you can also do roses. And now is the fun part, because now we have to just fill it all in. And the idea is by the end you don't want to see any cake. That's the piping all finished and it's looking lovely and Halloweeny already. We're going to add some sprinkles to the top in just a second. So I've got lots of different sprinkles now to go on top of our cake, and I've got some fondant here that I'm going to be using to make a sort of little disc that says Happy Halloween. So I'm going to make 2 of those, one in green and one in black. And these are just super easy to make. Add a little bit of corn flour, stop it sticking. I'm going to make this one Happy Halloween. So just press that down. And then I've actually lost my fluted cutter, so I'm going to use an upturned tartan. Always improvise if you can't find something. And we can pop that one there. Then we can add some sprinkles. So I've got some sanding sugar here in orange and black. Add a little bit of crunch. Then I've got these lovely orange sprinkles here with pumpkins and stars and all sorts. Got these lovely big sprinkles which are great on this sort of cake. And then finally, I've got some really big shapes in here, which I bought, if you're from the UK, you might have heard of B&M. I bought these for about £1 for the whole pack. So I'm just gonna add these on. I think they're gonna be really super cute. So there's our Halloween Traybake all finished, and it's looking great for Halloween. What I really like about the Traybake is that you can just take it like this and it can be served out of here, so it's very little mess and it's really quick and easy. No stacking or cutting of cakes or anything like that. Well, thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and let me know. And if you want to see any more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all next time. Have a lovely Halloween. Bye!